ADA, we do a lot of education classes, and it is a great way to continue to learn and develop your team. At the show, we do classes from leadership to service to parts to EVs. That education doesn't end with the show. We have our professional series for your soon-to-be managers or your prospective managers, and we can move them on into Academy, where we have an 11-month program of 6 weeks. From Academy, we also have certificate programs and seminars so they can come for just 1 week if that's their specialty. And since we have a lot of Academy grads that aren't ready to go to our 20 groups, we've started a program called Engage. And it will be some online, some in person, and from there we hope that they can go to the 20 groups. A couple more education things that we've done is we have a brand new digital marketing boot camp class. The first one is going to be in July, and we continue to have individual seminars for financial management, parts, service, and inventory management marketing, as well as OEM relations and employee relationships. One of the things that is so great about the Academy instructor team is that we've all come from retail. For myself, I've been at retail since 1997. I came through Academy, that was 2003. You will not have anybody in Academy that does not have retail experience. NADA is constantly working on curriculum development and trying to get better. So as we have our students in class, we are learning from them as much as we hope they're learning from us. We want that community, and we want to be able to engage with them to be able to continue development and make our classes better every single time.